Hi, Jim Gore from Thor Investment Management. A lot of people are wondering where they're going to be able to get income in their portfolio as well as returns in an environment where we have $17 trillion around the globe that are selling at negative interest rates. What that means is basically you're going to give them money today that they pay you in the future less. That doesn't make any sense. So where does someone to invest to get income? Well, in this chart that we're showing, you can see all the way in the far left, there's two very compelling areas to look at for income as well as returns. Those are BDCs and MLPs. Most investors do not know what those are. BDCs have been around since the mid to early 80s, and these are known as business development corporations that make loans to mid-sized companies. MLPs are master limited partnerships, and the ones we like are the midstream pipelines. So these are delivering all the natural gas and oil around our country, and it's a very stable, solid business. And then looking all in the midsection of this chart, there's a lot of fixed income instruments, and then the one I want to look at is the ones all the way to the far right. The S&P 500 is yielding 1.9%, and Treasury bills, 10-year Treasury bills, are yielding 1.5%. That's one way to look at it. But let's look at it a different way. Basically, if I put my money in investments, how long will it take me to double my money just getting the income off these investments? As you can see, for BDCs, that's 7.1 years, and MLPs, 7.3 years. High yield bonds, which are similar to the BDCs, it's 13.1 years, almost twice the amount of time as BDCs. That's why we like BDCs over high yield instruments right now. And lastly, look at that 10-year Treasury. Takes you 48 years to double your money. So if you're a retiree looking to get income off your investments, you should be looking at BDCs and MLPs at this time. If you are an emerging wealth client looking to grow wealth, you don't want to own 10-year Treasuries. It's going to take you 48 years to double your money. BDCs and MLPs are also a good way to invest that money at this time.